Hi there, my name is Yulia, 29 years old. I'm Ukrainian and I'm an artist of permanent makeup. Why did I decide to learn English? First of all, it is my childhood desire. I want to feel myself confident and free, and I want to be tech savvy in English. Actually, I started from B1 and I got B2 level in 1 month. For the longest time, I postponed enhancing because always not enough time. And the major issue was getting rid of my fear to stop overworking and overthinking, because I thought that you don't work, you'll die tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's a bullshit, yeah. So, however, I decided forward with success. Used to waking up at 4 a.m. and preparing my happy work day in, day out, and miracle happens. Just turn on binaural beats, trust yourself, follow the structure, just do it.
Do you want to receive the same result in English, other languages, or all 13 areas of life, or even better? Then register right now to this new FAC Reality Transformational Workshop. See you live. Love you. Do it right now.